last sum of this chapter. Okay, so what is given? It is an example sum. It is given that if A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, find n of A union B. What do you mean by n of A union B? In the previous videos we know what is n of. I said that. Okay, now let's recall that. It is called as cardinal number. That is in the bracket whatever is given, that set how many elements are there. If we count and write, that is known as the cardinal number of the set. Okay. Now first what we have to do to find the cardinal number, first we have to find what is in the bracket. Okay, what is in the bracket? A union B. So first we'll write A union B. So in place of A we should write the set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 union. In place of B we'll write B, the set B. 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have to write the answer. Union means what? All the elements together. Okay, so first we will copy this set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this set. Okay, here the first element is 2, but we already wrote 2, so no need of writing 2. Then next element is 4. We already wrote 4 also. Okay, 2 and 4 is already written. So next element is 6. Is it written here? No. So we will write 6 here. Then 8. Okay, so we got A union B now. Okay, is it clear? Now what we have to write? Final answer n of A union B. So what will be n of A union B? That is the number of elements which we got in A union B. So count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the answer? N of A union B equal to 7. Okay, for this we have one formula also. Using that also we can prove this. Okay, how we got this. Okay, so, the similar sums they will not ask directly like this. Okay, using the formula sometimes we have to find what it will be. Okay, so the important formula is n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Using this formula we can solve many problems. Okay, so this is a very important formula. You should by heart this, and then we can use this formula to solve few sums. Okay, so now first I want to explain the Venn diagram. Okay, for this. Okay, so how we will draw the Venn diagram for this? Do you know, students? Here we will go here. Okay, A. What is in A? First I'll draw A here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in B, what are the elements? 2, 4, 6, 8. So when we are going to draw a Venn diagram, what is the important thing? We should draw a rectangular box. Okay, and in this rectangular box we should write mu here. That is the universal set. Okay, after writing this mu, we have to draw A here. Okay, then what we have to draw? B. No need of drawing B separately. What we will do? We will overlap few part of B on A like this. Okay, why we are doing so? Now you can check in A and B if few elements will be similar. Okay, same elements will be there. So in these two sets, what are the elements which are same? Can you pick them out? Here we are having 2. Here also we are having 2. 1 we don't have 1 here. 5 we don't have 5 here. 4 we have 4 here. So this is also common to both. Then 3 we don't have 3. So we checked it. Okay, now 2 and 4 are common in both the sets. So what we have to do? The elements which we got common, that we have to write here in the overlapping place. Okay, 2 and 4. Now in A what we will write in the remaining part? The elements which are left out. Okay, 1, 3 and 5. And in B, the remaining elements, 6 and 8. This is the procedure to draw. Now what we have to do, we have to find A union B. That means A union B, whole thing. Okay, now we have to shade it. Okay, to write the answer using Venn diagram, we can use any lines. Okay, straight lines, curved lines, anything you can do. So now I am using these cross lines. Okay, like this. So A union B means, union means what? Together. So everything. Okay. Now if it would be A intersection B, then what will be the answer? Only this part. Okay. This part is the intersection part. So at that time what we will do? I'll draw straight lines like this. Okay. To denote A intersection B. So for A union B, what lines I am using? I am using these cross lines. So the cross lines, wherever they are the cross lines, that means the answer for this will be the cross lines. Okay, the elements which are in these cross lines, that is all the elements. Now in A intersection B, what I have used? Only the straight lines. That is the part which contains this is the answer. So which part contains these lines? This part. So the answer for this will be 2, 4. And answer for this will be the same thing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, understood? Is it clear? Union and intersection. Then one more sum for Venn diagram is left. What is that? A minus B. So we'll draw that also. Okay, A minus B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus B. 2, 4, 6, 8. So in minus what we'll do? We'll cut the same common element in both the sets. 1. Do we have 1 here? No. 2. We have 2 in both the sets. So we'll cancel that. Then 3. We don't have 3 here. Then 4. We have 4 here and here. We'll cancel that. 5. We don't have 5 here. So what will be the answer? Only the elements which are left in the first set. Okay, we should not write the elements which are left in second set. We should leave this. Only the elements which are left in first set will be the answer for A minus B. Okay, so now using Venn diagram, how we will draw that? Same thing. First we should draw A and B overlapping each other. Mu A B, elements will be same. Okay, here 2 and 4. Then 1, 5, 3, 6 and 8. So what did you notice here? The intersection part, that is the same element part, is cancelled, and the elements which are left in A are written in the answer. So here what we will do? Here also we have to shade only what? The part which is remained in A, not the intersection part. Okay, so which what I'll do? I'll draw dots here. Okay, only this part is the answer. Okay, so what is A minus B? The dotted part. So in the dotted part we are having 1, 3 and 5. Okay, is it clear? A union B, A intersection B and A minus B using Venn diagram. We'll meet soon again.